Good morning!
Morning!
And welcome back to a new video. We are doing the walls!
Yay! It's freezing! -3 in here.
What's 6?
3.
That's 3. So we have a lot of work to do in here.
Yeah.
And before we can put the ceiling, we need to do the walls.
The walls...
up there cracking.
Not cracking, there's bricks
Yeah,
missing.
there's bricks missing, yeah.
Oh.
And I don't know how we can vacuum clean in there, because that's all
It's full of rat nests.
poop.
Poop and...
Caca.
It's very bad, yeah. Caca and tis.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work, so...
I think we're gonna be doing that for the whole day. I don't think we're gonna be able to do anything else.
Yeah. I
we
don't know
need
what's
to-
there. It's like a pyramid of bricks without any concrete in them. It's just...
A lot of bricks, and we need to be sure what is coming out, like shake the walls, like see what's coming out and what's not coming out. And where the other window is, there's also bricks coming out. Well, that is pretty much done behind the camera where the window is, I think.
Yeah.
This is okay,
Yeah.
but up there needs to be done.
The chimney needs to be done, but that's with another cement type thing,
So
which is heat resistant.
Yeah. I think we're gonna do that another day.
Yeah.
That's another project.
It's a project on its
okay.
own.
Good, let's stop talking and actually do things.
Yeah.
We're freezing. But we need to do this if we want to have this room nice and warm. So, because we cannot put a ceiling, I want this room to be warm, but we cannot put a ceiling up there because we need to do walls, and the ceiling is all freezing. Because there's no ceiling. I'm dizzy already from one spin.
Update on the wall, floor, ceiling situation, the main reconstruction. I saw this one being a bit loose, played around with it. Boom, boom, ching, ching, all of it falls out. Yeah, I don't know. We have a lot of bricks up on the very top that are loose, but this is very close to the ground that is loose. But it's not falling. The wall is strong here, so it just needs to be filled up with brick and cemented away. Made straight as we can. They did a very job of putting old pieces of brick inside instead of doing it correctly with straight brick and trying to make it at least look nice. But I don't know how good it's gonna be job for me to do. Anyways, I'll update you what happens next. So this wall is a pain in the ass. Everywhere else the plaster came off no problem, but this one here is rock solid, does not want to move. Tried it with all my power to get it off. This corner is just a mess.
Yeah.
So I need to clean at least the wallpaper off.
So we can paint it.
So we can prime it and paint it whenever we decide what paint we wanted. But this wallpaper is not coming off that easily. It's a bit of a pain in the ass. This room is just the start of the whole house. It's gonna be like this, but
I will start using this tool. It's a drill with a brushy, so I can clean up the bricks. I'm using it for the first time, so let's see. I need glasses. Oh, damn it! This just goes wherever it wants.
you want me to get glasses?
Yeah. Nice glasses. I didn't see anything. Okay, let's try it again.
Just hold it really low.
Oh,
Put it on number 2 maybe. It's easier for you when it goes faster.
number
The
2.
top one. I don't know what's easier for you.
Okay. Should close my mouth while I'm doing that.
Instead of scream. Is it cleaning good at least? Okay, 5,000 more bricks to go.
Is it cleaning?
So I'm gonna clean up the chimney. It's all black and yucky. The top one I'm not gonna clean now. That's a job for another time. But I'm gonna clean this down. It's really hard stuff and really hard on the blade. It sparks like crazy. So it's very crazy to clean this. It's been over 200 years of buildup of whatever that is. I don't know. So I'm gonna clean it. Hopefully it comes off. Hopefully I can make it nice. And hopefully it's not gonna look black like it is now. So this is our last mask. Because of coronavirus, there's no masks left in the shops.
Not even for workers.
And we want to work. We don't need them for self-protection. Because we're not dumb. We're not buying all the masks out, but we are now doing walls with one last mask. The last mask I had, I used it maybe 4 or 5 days in a row. So I overused the shit out of it. It probably wasn't even working after a while. but nothing I can do. That's what I have to do. So
Good.
after this mask, I'll have to find like a fabric or something to use.
Evie! Bella. Go!
So it's been a few hours. Been the whole
Many
day.
hours.
The whole day has passed. So what I've cleaned is that I cleaned the chimney.
Yeah, it looks amazing. Oh, it looks like it's burning upstairs
Yeah.
from the sun. You can
Cleaned on top
see
of the
it.
chimney, cleaned this whole wall, and tried to get rid of that cement.
Yeah.
But cannot. Now I've been scratching the tapete off, the wallpaper, sorry. And that's still not going very good. And now Despina showed me that I need to do this, that there's still some concrete, whatever, plaster, whatever you want to call it, here. So we need to remove that off. And that is a pain in the ass. But it has like a nice arc type of feel for the bricks to balance on each other and keep the weight. It's kind of like the arc holds all the weight because each brick falls on each other, which is smart, but here it's all cracked up, so it wasn't really working out that well. I don't think they did it archy enough.
What I have done, I did that wall and this wall with a. It was very annoying because I was like, because it was getting like everywhere, and whenever it gets like not smooth, it just goes like whatever, and then it just goes like this all over the place. It just goes like, and I nearly fall off the ladder all the time. Oh, I got it in my eyes. Yeah, I could only do that one wall because I can only work 15 minutes with one full battery, and then the battery needs 35 minutes to charge.
Did you count the
We
time?
have 2 batteries, so I cannot work that well. I always have to have like a 15-20 minute in between, depends how fast I'm working and how fast the battery goes. So I only did this one and that one. Oh, and down here till there I did. That's actually a lot I did. Yeah, and I think it looks nicer than before. I hope so. It's dark, so you cannot really tell. We're gonna show you tomorrow morning in a second. And that's how it looks. I think it looks better now in the day. I mean, you can see it better. Nothing has changed during the night. But I like it. I pretty much cleaned all of those gaps and whatever was on the rock, because there was like a lot of concrete on the bricks. So I cleaned that up. Now I need to do that wall. I already did yesterday. I put like one more battery. I did like those ones, I think. I don't remember because it was dark and I could not see anything what I was doing. But I finished the bottom. I actually don't remember. But David finished the bed, I can see, right?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of. There's a bed left here.
Come on.
Comes off here. I'll probably paint that wall, but not now, obviously. First we need to do the important things, which is upstairs and the walls.
There is no roof, ceiling.
So I put the hat today because yesterday my hair was disgusting. And when I went to pee and to shower, I had stones on my underwear. Somehow, under all of these layers. How? I'm wearing a onesie. Where is it all going to? I don't know. So let's keep going and start cementing today, hopefully. I said that 3 days ago, but yeah. Let's go.
Well, we are starting off by doing bricklaying
Hole
on
fixing.
this wall. So we're gonna fill up all the holes in this broken
Yeah.
wall.
Up there is
We're
a
gonna
hole.
fix up the thing I broke. Well, it was breaking
Oh, that
apart.
one, well.
And the top there needs a lot of work.
And
5
some
bricks
holes.
or something. Yeah. So yeah, let's get going. We start with this wall and then we move on to the next wall. This I think is the worst wall. I think so, yeah. I think this is the worst wall. So let's start off with the hardest one and move on to the easiest.
Yeah, because this one has that part on top of the window, the top down there, by, where is it, this beam, and that beam,
I hope we have
electrical beam.
enough cement. Mortar, whatever you call it. I hope we have enough because we have this bag, and 2 more bags. So we have 4 bags, I think, of cement. So I hope it's enough.
So what was the all broken bricks?
1.5 or something.
Huh?
Falls really easily.